In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vacation in Outlook Calendar 2025. Step by step. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to mark your time off so your calendar clearly shows you're unavailable. This helps prevent meeting requests while you're away and keeps your team in the loop. First, open the new Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, switch to the calendar by clicking the calendar icon on the left sidebar. That brings you to your schedule view where we'll create the time off. Next, create a new entry by selecting New Event in the top left corner. This opens a blank event window where you'll add the details of your vacation. Start with a clear title so it's easy to recognize at a glance. You might use vacation, leave, PTO, or out of office, whatever your organization commonly uses. Keep it short and consistent so it looks clean across your calendar. Now set your dates. Choose your start date and your end date to cover the entire period you'll be away. If you're only off for part of a day, leave the times as they are and adjust the start and end times as needed. If you're off the whole day or for several full days, a quick tip is to use the all-day toggle. Turning on all day removes start and end times and makes the event span the entire day or days, which keeps your calendar neat and easy to read. The most important setting here is how the event appears to others. Look for the Show As drop-down inside the event window and change it to Out of Office. This does two things. It blocks the time on your calendar so colleagues see you as unavailable, and it visually marks the event in a distinctive color, typically purple, so your time off stands out. When everything looks good, finish up by clicking Save or Save and Close depending on what you see. Your calendar will update immediately. You should now see purple out of office blocks covering the dates you selected, clearly indicating you're away. A quick recap: open Outlook, go to Calendar, create a new event, give it a clear title, set your start and end dates, switch Show As to Out of Office, optionally turn on all day if you're off for full days, and then save. That's it. Your vacation is now properly recorded, and your availability reflects that you're away.